Peter Tosh, was a Jamaican reggae musician. Along with Bob Marley and Bunny Wailer, he was one of the core members of the band the Wailers, after which he established himself as a successful solo artist and a promoter of Rastafari. Here are some of his most famous quotes. "Legalize it and I will advertise it. Everyone's trying to reach the top. Tell me how far it is from the bottom. My songs is hard stuff which politicians don't want on them radio station because they still want people to live in ignorancy. Reggae must be lived, not played. It is a life beat every time. Monday what the Rasta man represents is positivity. You never miss the water until the well runs dry. To have the truth in your possession you can be found guilty, sentenced to death. I am not a politician, I only suffer the consequences. I don't need no peace. I need equal rights and justice. My philosophy is, if you don't bear a cross, you can't wear a crown. If the music does not penetrate the heart, the soul, the mind, and the body, then you ain't gonna feel it. It takes a lot of physical and spiritual energy to balance on one wheel. It is only the truth that can make a man free, it is only the truth that can make a man live. I am good. I live good. I think good. I don't have to feel good, I take my goodness wherever I go.